Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to knit this beautiful pattern for you. This pattern you can knit on baby sweater, cap or on any project. This pattern is very easy to knit. For this pattern, cast on multiple of 2 stitches and add 1 extra stitch. For tutorial, cast on 18 plus 1, 19 stitches. Row 1, wrong side, attach second color yarn. With second color yarn, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, knit like this till end. Row 2, right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl all the stitches. Knit a stitch. Row 3, wrong side, with first color yarn, purl 2, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, knit like this till end. Purl edge stitch. Row 4, right side, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl all the stitches. Knit a stitch. Wrong side, with second color yarn, knit as row 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, knit like this till end. Right side, knit as row 2, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl all the stitches. Knit edge stitch. Wrong side, knit with first color yarn, knit as row 3, purl 2, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, skip 1, purl 1, knit like this till end. Purl edge stitch. Right side, knit as row 4, skip edge stitch, yarn in front, purl all the stitches. This is 4 rows repeat pattern. Repeat these 4 rows again and again. If you like this tutorial, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the notification. Thank you. Bye bye.